Okay, today I'm going to revise all the questions in economics first lesson money, savings, and investments. Which metals were used for metallic money? Gold or silver or bronze or all the above? Yeah, which metals were used by metallic money? Metallic money means what? That consists of gold, silver, bronze, all the three. Okay, so all the above. All the above. Who introduced the paper money? First of all, so after metallic money only we know that paper money. Okay, so who introduced the paper money? The British. The British introduced the paper money. The value of money is, what is the value of money? What is the definition of value of money? So value of money is purchasing power of money over goods and services in a country. Okay, so value of money is internal value of money, external value of money, and C both A and B and D none of these. So the value of money is internal value of money and external value of money. So answer is C, both A and B. And which is the bank money? What is the bank money? Bank money சொல்லுவாங்க. So the check is called bank money. The check is called bank money. What are these plastic money? Plastic money. Plastic money is called ATM card, debit card, credit card. Yeah, these are called plastic money. Okay, so which is a bank money? Bank money is check. Pick out the incorrect one. Investment can be made in different vehicle. Investment can be made in different vehicle. Stock, bonds, mutual fund pay tax. So stock investment, bonds investment, mutual fund so pay tax. So answer is pay tax. Fifth one answer is pay tax. Sixth one. Who is responsible for the collection and publication of monetary and financial information? Reserve Bank of India. So the Reserve Bank of India is responsible for the collection and publication of monetary and financial information. So Reserve Bank of India. Online banking is also known as what? Yeah, we all know that. We all know that what is online banking, which is called net banking. So online banking is also known as net banking. And then dash is what money does. Dash is what money does. So money is what money does. Money, answer is money. The term of bank is derived from dash word. The bank, that word BANK, that bank word derived from dash word, German word. So the bank is derived from German word. Value of money is meant dash of money. Purchasing power. Yeah, if you have money you can purchase whatever you want. Okay, correct. So the value of money is meant purchasing power of money. The Indian Banking Regulation Act of dash. Indian Banking Regulation Act of 1949. Yeah, barter system. What does it mean by barter system? Exchange goods for goods. Yeah, Reserve Bank Act. Reserve Bank Act 1935. E-money, electronic money, savings, consumer disposable income, black money, tax evaders. Yeah, we all already know that short answer, correct? So yesterday I thought what is barter system, what are the recent forms of money? Okay. Okay. In the brief answer, what are the disadvantages of barter system? What are the disadvantages of barter system? So disadvantages of barter system is lack of double coincidence of funds. lack of double coincidence, common measure of value, indivisibility of commodities, difficulties of storing wealth. Yeah, difficulty of storing wealth is a very important one. So there are four disadvantages of barter system. First one is lack of double coincidence of funds. Second one is common measure of value. Third one is indivisibility of commodities. Fourth one is difficulties of storing wealth. Okay, and then second one is evolution of money. Write about the evolution of money. So first is commodity money. What does that mean? Commodity money, exchanging the goods. Barter system is called a commodity money. Okay, exchanging goods for goods. Second one is what? After commodity money, after the barter system. Listen. Okay, evolution of money. So first of all is commodity money, and then after gets commodity money, we introduced metallic money. After metallic money, British introduced paper money. After paper money, credit money and bank money. Correct, credit money and bank money. So which means what? Credit card, debit card, and then now the technology has improved so much because we can transform one bank account to another bank account without seeing money. Correct. So using Google Pay, Phone Pay, that application. So first one is commodity money, after that metallic money, and then paper money and credit money or bank money, and then year money. Yeah, okay. And then explain the types of bank deposits. So there are four types. One is student savings account. Second one is savings deposit. Third one is current account deposit. Fourth one is fixed deposit. So how many types? Student saving account. So which means what? There are savings accounts. Some banks offer specifically for young people enrolled in high school or college. They maintain a zero balance account, a low minimum balance requirement. That is called student savings account. Saving deposit. Saving deposits are opened by the customers to save the part of their current income. So saving deposit are opened by the customers to save the part of their current income. Current account deposit. Current accounts are generally opened by the business firms, business, traders, public authorities. Yeah, that is called current account deposit. Fixed deposit. Fixed deposit accounts are meant for investors. Investors. Yeah. So the fixed deposit are also called as term deposit. Okay, because they are fixed for only specific period or particular period only they fixed this account. So fixed deposit accounts are meant for investors who want their principal to be safe. So there are so many. Yeah. So evolution of money is what? First one is commodity money. That means what? Barter system, exchanging the goods of goods, and then metallic money. After that, paper money, and then after paper money, plastic money, which means ATM card, credit card, that card. After that, without use of money transaction, that is, yeah, net banking. We did not see only barter system, exchanging the goods of goods. Correct. We saw metallic money, and we are using the metallic money, paper money, and a plastic ATM card, and also transaction through the net banking.